Welcome, everyone, to History Aura. In this video, we will learn Vande Mataram. 1896, Calcutta, presided by Rahimtulla M. Sayani. National song, Vande Mataram, sung for the first time, written by Mr. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee to praise the Mother India, on the 7th of November 1875, and was published in a Bengali fiction novel, Anandmat. It was composed originally in Sanskrit and Bengali. Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana. It was first sung in 1911 at the Indian National Congress session in Calcutta, Kolkata. The session was presided over by Bishan Narayan Dhar, B.N. Dhar. This national anthem was written and composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more informative videos.